Okay, so you're looking right now how you can play with friends in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Zombies. So first click on Call of Duty Black Ops 6, then go to the middle tab to Zombies, and now you have this main menu. Down here you can select your mission, but first you want to invite some friends. Then select your friends, invite them, and now on the bottom left you have select a mission. Then click on standard, play in squads, play solo. You want to play in squad, and now just select your map, your loadout, and then you can start and click ready up, and now you are searching for players if you're solo, and otherwise you start this lobby now with your friends invited before. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.